Hello guys, this is Vijaya here welcoming you to Grey Edge. In this video, we will be seeing the new and enhanced key feature of 3ds Max 2024, which are Boolean modifier, spline angle constraint, and a new distribution method in array modifier. Let's begin with Boolean modifier. With 3ds Max 2024, we can use Boolean as a modifier. With previous version, we could use Boolean as a compound object. So now let us take a look to it. Here, I'll select this object, go to Modify panel. From the modifier list, I'll go with Boolean. Here you will get different operands that are similar to what you get in compound Boolean. So for now, I'll go with subtract and I'll select the shape. In a similar manner, I'll attach the other objects, but I'll use the operand as union. Now, I'll do the same thing with this object, but I'll apply compound Boolean to it. So I'll go with subtract, add operand, and then I'll go with union and select this other object. Now if I compare both this object, here you can see on the object where we have applied compound Boolean, here we can see there are some weird edges. While the object where we have applied Boolean modifier, it is perfectly clean, no weird edges as we get in compound Boolean. Let's move now to the next feature, that is spline shape angle constraint. For spline shape angle constraint, I'll go with the line tool first. I'll press shift key. So here you can see the line is getting constrained at 90 degrees. Now if I need to customize this value, I'll come to the snap toggle over here. I'll right click on it. That will open grid and snap setting window. Here I'll enable shape angle constraint and I'll define the constraint value. Now I'll activate the line tool. I'll press shift key and here you can see now the line is getting constrained at the incremental angle of 25 degrees. With this option, it lets you define your own angle constraint to better assist you with the angle snap. Let's move now to the next feature, that is in array modifier. So here I have created an object. I'll go to modify panel and from the modifier list I'll select array. So here in array distribution method you will get a new distribution method called flourishing. With flourishing distribution method, it creates clone in a spiral pattern distributing clone from the center. So let's see the options that are available with this. So the first one is strength. With this, it sets the position of the clone relative to the array's origin. With count, you can define the numbers of cloning. I'll again change back the count value to 100. Then you can define the minimum and the maximum radius value using start radius and end radius. To set the vertical position of the clone along the z-axis, I'll use axial. So here you can see the effect. So with this, we come to an end of this video. Thank you for watching.